Hello children, how are you? I think all are safe and all are happy at home. So let us start today's lesson, that is solar system. As you all know, our solar system is made of so many uh, celestial, uh, celestial bodies such as comets, meteoroids, asteroids, planets, and so many things we have in a solar system. So let us study our solar system in detail now. So our solar system is made up of the sun and the 8 planets which forms our solar system. So in solar system, we'll study about the galaxy, the stars, the sun, the planets and the asteroid belt. Now, let us start about the galaxy. A galaxy is a huge collection of gas, dust and billion of stars. A galaxy is held together by gravity. Our solar system belongs to the Milky Way galaxy. Now, stars. A star is a huge glowing ball of hot gases mainly made up of hydrogen and helium. Now sun, the main person in the solar system or main star of the solar system, we can say the sun is the star. It is a huge spinning glowing sphere of hot gases and the sun is the center of our solar system. So after all this, we'll study about the planets. As you all know that there are 8 planets in our solar system. A planet is a celestial body that are in a constant motion around a star, and sun has 8 planets that orbit around it. After this, we can study that, as I said, 8 planets are there. We'll study about them now. So first comes Mercury, second Venus, third Earth, then Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. So let us start with the Mercury. As you all know, Mercury is the closest and the smallest planet to the Sun. Now Venus is the hottest and brightest planet. Even it is also called as a morning star and an evening star. Earth. The Earth, as you all know, it's a unique planet which supports the life. It is also known as a living planet and it is also known as the blue planet because of its water surface on the Earth. Now let us start with the Mars. A Mars is known as the red planet because of its reddish soil. Jupiter, as you all know, in the solar system, Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system. Now Saturn. Saturn is the second largest planet in our solar system, known for its rings made up of the ice particles. Now Uranus is the third largest planet in the solar system. Neptune is the last planet and is also known as a blue giant. So let us study about the asteroid belt. Asteroid belts are thousands of small rocky bodies that occupies a place between the Mars and the Jupiter.